In this video, I'll be talking about what is Bluehost and what it is used for. If you find this video helpful, please do us a favor and leave a like and drop a sub to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so I'm over at bluehost.com. And first up, what exactly is Bluehost? Bluehost is a web hosting company that has been around since 2003. It's one of the largest and most popular hosting providers in the world. They offer a range of hosting services, including shared hosting, VPS hosting, dedicated hosting, and managed WordPress hosting. All right, let's go ahead and break down the hosting options. So we got 4 different hosting options here, as you can see. We've got your shared hosting. This is the most basic and affordable type of hosting. With shared hosting, your website shares a server with other websites. It's great for beginners or small sites with low traffic. We've also got VPS hosting. So VPS stands for Virtual Private Server. It's a step up from shared hosting and provides more resources and control. Your website is hosted on a virtual server, which is partitioned off from other websites. This is ideal for growing sites or those needing more customizations. We've also got dedicated hosting. So with dedicated hosting, you get an entire server all to yourself. This provides maximum control, performance, and security. It's best suited for large websites or businesses with higher traffic. And the last one here, we've got cloud hosting, which is power, speed, and control with priority support. So WordPress cloud hosting built by WordPress creators for WordPress creators. And you can check out their top features here and their additional features as well. So the higher up in the plan, the better the features are. Now let's talk about why Bluehost might be the right choice for you. Here are some of its key features. So it's ease of use. Bluehost user interface is beginner friendly, making it easy to set up your website. Their one-click WordPress installation is a breeze, and their customer support is available 24/7. 2, performance. So Blue offers reliable performance with a 99.9% uptime guarantee. This means your website will be available to visitors almost all the time. And security, number 3 here. They provide various security features, including SSL certificates, which encrypt data transferred between your site and its visitors, and free daily backups to protect your content. Number 4 here, customer support. Bluehost customer support team is available via live chat, phone, and email. They have an extensive knowledge base with helpful articles and tutorials as well. And number 5, pricing. So Bluehost offers competitive pricing with various plans to suit different needs. They frequently run promotions and discounts, so you might find a good deal if you're looking to get started. All right, now let's dive into the pricing here of Bluehost. So when it comes to pricing, Bluehost has several plans or choices here to choose from. So just depending if you're doing the hosting, VPS, dedicated, or cloud. But I'm just going to quickly run through all 4. So you got your basic plans here. So the basic plan is ideal for new users or personal websites. It includes one website, 50 gigabyte of storage, and a free domain for the first year. The plus plan here, this plan allows unlimited websites and storage, and also includes a free domain for the first year. You got your choice plus. This plan includes all the features of the plus plan, plus additional privacy and security features. And lastly here, you got your pro plan. So the pro plan is geared toward users who need advanced performance and features, including a free dedicated IP and additional website performance enhancements. I'll leave a link in the description for cheaper deals than what you're currently seeing here if you're interested in saving some extra money as well. Alright, and also one of the standout benefits of Bluehost is their WordPress integration. They're officially recommended by WordPress.org, which means they're optimized for WordPress sites. This includes features like automatic updates, enhanced security, and staging environment for testing changes before going live. To wrap things up, Bluehost is a versatile and reliable hosting provider that caters to a wide range of needs, from beginners to advanced users. With its variety of hosting plans, ease of use, and excellent customer support, it's definitely worth considering for your next web hosting adventure. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give our channel a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further clarification, drop a comment below. I'll see you in the next video.